Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best construction technologies of all time. Please watch the full video, subscribe the channel and do like and share the video. StormTrap offers the industry's best solutions for managing runoff, protecting waterways, and improving the use of your property. We are committed to providing cost-effective customized stormwater management solutions to engineers, owners and municipalities. Whether you are concerned about detention, retention, water quality or water harvesting, StormTrap has a design that will reduce your footprint, accommodate site restraints, lower overall costs, and meet your specific project needs. Contact us today. StormTrap has proven experience in providing exceptional stormwater solutions for a range of markets. Our flexible designs will meet your project goals, and our experienced stormwater professionals will guide you every step of the way. Building on our history of demonstrated success across markets, our team will navigate you through local and changing regulations to create your carefully crafted stormwater management solution, complete with drawings, budget estimates and installation specifications. Shenhao is a high-tech enterprise specializing in equipment testing and fault diagnosis. By leveraging sensors, robotics, artificial intelligence, and big data analysis technologies, we are dedicated to providing comprehensive solutions in the industrial health sector. Our goal is to enable intelligent O&M of industrial equipment, ensuring safe and efficient operations. We have developed a series of intelligent robots and monitoring control equipment with independent intellectual property rights. These products find applications in various industries, including power grids, rail transit, oil and gas, and more. They offer our customers reliable means of inspection and monitoring, facilitating intelligent management. Shenhao claims the robot overcomes the issues associated with human-only track maintenance inspections, low productivity, scattered inspection quality, and health and safety hazards. The inspection data is analyzed on a centralized monitoring platform. Shenhao robots use intelligent recognition and analysis, deep learning, and multiple sensors, and can be equipped with intelligent recognition and infrared temperature measurement, high-definition image recognition, partial discharge detection, gas leakage monitoring, and noise pickup and analysis among other options. GateLite is a lean architectural concrete skin, offering many of the design options found with traditional architectural precast. This all-inclusive system has a complete thermal, vapor and air barrier and eliminates on-site labor hours, as fabrication and assembly is performed safely on the ground prior to delivery. With GateLite, design teams can now create a true work of art. The GateLite architectural precast facade system was selected by Baptist Health's new campus in Florida to meet high-velocity wind zone requirements, improve job site safety, compress schedule, and reduce the project's carbon footprint. GateLite is a unitized system providing a complete facade that meets or exceeds energy and code requirements while offering performance and design flexibility that can be customized per project. Finished and unitized with glass and insulation for a complete thermal, vapor and air barrier, GateLite eliminates on-site labor hours, with fabrication and assembly safely performed on the ground prior to delivery. a solar film based on organic photovoltaic technology. This enables us to produce solar films, which are ultra-light, flexible, ultra-thin and truly green. Through its integrated backside adhesive, the solar films can easily be glued to various surfaces and with their solar connectors easily be installed in a solar system. Even solar technology is already a mainstream electricity generation technology. Still, almost 98% of all global available rooftop surfaces are not used for solar power generation. There is a huge locked potential that we can now access with our solar films, such as building structures that require a lightweight solution or building materials that cannot be penetrated. Solar films are used globally and demonstrate the various application possibilities. Solar energy with an ultra-low carbon footprint of less than 10 grams CO2 per kilowatt-hour, which makes our solar films one of the greenest energy sources of today. The electricity generated from our solar films is 50 times greener than the grid mix and 100 times greener than coal-fired electricity generation. Solar films in an efficient and innovative roll-to-roll production in Dresden on a compact 5,000 m2 production area. We have developed a high-tech manufacturing ecosystem that allows us to localize production close to the markets around the world. With our more than 250 employees, we can produce up to 2 m2 of solar films per year, and with just a team of 2 carrying and laying the modules becomes a simple task. The finished floor ends up 40% lighter compared to a classic music floor. The Irish company Kingspan Group is in the business of upgrading braiding roofs. They have approximately 210 factories where they manufacture Unidek Aero light panels. It might sound simple, plain foam with stiffening ribs, yet 313, these panels are incredibly versatile and can be installed at angles of up to 70 degrees. They seamlessly pair with different materials from tile to slate and make it easy to incorporate dormer windows. Moreover, the panels boast a noise insulation Indiana X of 36 dB. For quicker installation, the company provides specially designed self-drilling music screws. Structures designed to protect the areas around a slope from falling rocks include mesh or cable nets, barriers and fences, and catchment areas, ditches at the toe of a slope, designed to prevent rockfall from reaching the highway. These devices allow rocks to fall, but prevent them from causing any damage to a structure or the public. The protection can stop a rock, control its trajectory, reduce its energy, and/or provide a catchment. In many cases, a catchment is used in conjunction with an inclined deceleration zone. However, because they are external to the slope, these structures are typically more difficult to hide or to fit within the context of the surroundings than structures that are integrated into the slope. Another option for protecting against rockfall is the use of avoidance measures, such building a tunnel, realigning the roadway, or constructing an elevated portion or portions, which ensure that the road will be out of the path of any foreseeable rockfall. To develop effective rockfall protection, the engineer should evaluate the slope through a thorough site investigation. Factors affecting rockfall that must be considered include slope height, topographic profile, variable slope angles, potential launch points, rock type variations, soil cover, vegetative cover, potential runout areas, and impact. Energy meets SubPro, an innovative module that streamlines and speeds up construction. While the video provides a practical guide on working with SubPro, let's delve into its key features. Crafted from recycled plastic, these modules come in 4 heights, ranging from 16 to 30 centimeters. They're stackable, allowing for height adjustments up to 62 13 centimeters. Working with SubPro is a breeze. Thanks to the inclusion of spaces, the design is optimized to prevent water and concrete penetration during music pouring.